A British business leader has said British companies have a very strong sense of commitment to the Chinese market. Andrew Seitan, chief executive of the China-Britain Business Council, made the statement during an event held in London on Tuesday to promote investment in Shanghai.
I thought that there was a very, very strong sense of economic recovery. There was a lot of activity on the street. Businesses were very positive about their business recovering and so on. Talking to British companies on the ground, whether in Beijing or Shanghai or Guangzhou, a very strong sense of commitment to the Chinese market, a commitment to their presence in China, their investment in China, their engagement and so on. But I think what we need to do now is to work on that new pipeline of new British companies coming through in different areas of technology to help them engage in the China opportunity, working with our friends in Shanghai, working with our friends elsewhere in China. So I think that for businesses on both sides, there shouldn't be any barriers to taking forward the trade investment relationship in a positive direction.